Alright, buenos dias, que paso amigos, John's Moto Garage, welcome to the channel. I apologize in advance, I am in a bit of a sleep deprived state, but I just got this package here in the mail, super stoked on it. I'm going to do a sneak peek on some of the parts I ordered for the Dyna. Let's dig into this, and then also I've got a couple boxes behind us as well. This has got to be real quick because I got to get this video edited, and then get the heck out of Dodge and go to work. Let's use this. Alright dude, you ready for your first unboxing, buddy? Shout out to my camera lady, Jackie. Jackie's got some exciting news that'll be coming up here very soon as we can put a video together for it, so. Bam. This is one of the things I'm most stoked about, is the new handlebars. These ones, I'll go into details on what I got. You guys will have to check out my next video to go into details on the specifics. But as you can see, the MX bars, these are like a mid-rise. What do you think, dude? What do you think, bro? Yeah, looking good, dude, looking good. Colt Vans grips. I almost thought I would cheap out and buy the ones for a bicycle until I did a little research and realized that those ones will not fit on your typical motorcycle handlebars. Anyway, Vans Colt grips, went with the classic black. Quarter throttle, shout out to trip_HP junkie. This is the quarter throttle tube. It's okay, dude, I know this one's not too exciting. I get it. This I got for the Alright, baby's already getting bored, so I gotta speed things along here. I'm almost thinking I maybe should have gone with the longer ones for these, for added protection, but these are the, I'm drawing a blank, I mean, what are these things even called? You know, protection, crash bar things. These will go over here. Alright, here's the big one. I've had people telling me forever, as soon as I bought this bike, I had people tell me I had to get one of these. More for the Lowrider S that I had, which didn't have anything. But anyway, Bum King, these are gonna be the, yeah, this will be the crash bar for the front. Now somebody asked, because I already have that one, which is an FXR division, why I bought another one. And the reason I went with that one is because I want to get into the drifting game eventually. And this, I don't think, provides the same protection, tipping the bike over. This one doesn't provide the same protection as you get with that one, or so I'm told. Lesson learned. Oh my gosh. So that's it. Obviously the part that I'm still waiting on. Alright, so obviously I'm still waiting on one part. That's going to be the risers. And so you'll have to stay tuned to see which risers I went with, what height, if I did a pullback, and of course what brand, because there's tons of riser options out there. But I had to order it from a different, from a different company, and I haven't even heard if they've been sent out yet. So that's the only drag when you're ordering this type of thing. You don't get it on Amazon overnight shipping. You have to wait like an entire week. It's the worst. It's the worst. But there you have it. So there's all the parts. Now let's dig into these other boxes, bonus boxes, and see what the heck I have going on over there. Let's get that box out. Now these are not parts, but they are Dyna Bro related. Absolutely beautiful. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so as you can see, these are Vans shoes. I have a tendency of wearing the heck out of my Vans. I mean, look at these things. I've had these for probably, I don't know, 6-7 months. Always end up skating them and just tearing them up, just get them totally thrashed. I don't buy shoes often, so when I do, I splurge, but got another pair of these. Pretty much the exact same thing I already had. A pair of these old classics. You can't go wrong with the classics, you know. And then last but not least, Bam. Another pair of these guys just for good measure, so I'll have one for every day of the week except for the other 4 days of the week. Last box. This is probably the most boring box of them all, but there's a few of you viewers out there who will be very excited about this. Bam. Picked myself up some new Dickies pants. So moving forward, you guys, for 2020, I'm officially 100% all in, Dyna Bro, returning a new leaf. Now, truth be told, I've always worn Dickies ever since I worked at a tire shop back in high school. Dickies were my go-to. So I've always been between those and jeans, and that's probably the way I'll continue to do it. But I was running thin on my Dickies pants. All right, there you have it, you guys. That's the sneak peek. We're still waiting on the risers, and of course, once I have time, I'm gonna start getting all this stuff installed on the Dyna, so stay tuned for more. Again, stay tuned. We have some exciting news coming up with Jackie, my wife. She's got something in the works as well. So leave a comment below if you think you can guess what it is Jackie's gonna be doing in the works. I appreciate all the support. Like and subscribe if you dig it. Stay tuned for all the install stuff, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Adios, nos vemos. All right, so there you guys have it. In total, I spent a small fortune on all this stuff, both for the Dyna and for me. I don't splurge often, and this is the first time I've really dumped a lot of money into the Dyna. So yeah, there you have it. Pretty stoked, pretty excited to get everything installed and set up. I'm just waiting on the dang risers. As soon as those get here, I'll let you know what they are. And then at some point, as I do the installation and everything, I'll go over all the individual upgrades that I purchased and the price and everything and where I got them from, all that good stuff. But for now, we'll leave it at that. Just a quick video before I run into the office. And yeah, appreciate the support, you guys. I think today we officially hit 19,000 subscribers. Pretty rad. All right, you guys, nos vemos. Hasta luego. Adios.